Have you ever wondered which is the best way to stop drinking or to overcome alcoholism? If so, you're in luck. There is one method of quitting that has routinely proven to be more successful and longer lasting than all others. Here it is. The single most effective way to stop drinking alcohol is to replace your drinking habit with one or more empowering habits during those hours you normally drink alcohol. For example, if you're the type of person that drinks every evening after work and keeps on drinking until you go to bed, you'll need to find another empowering activity or activities that will occupy you during the evening. This activity should make it inconvenient or impossible to drink while performing it, and should also improve your life in some way. By replacing a bad habit with a healthy habit, you'll consistently give your mind something other than booze to think about, and your hands something other than a glass of alcohol to hold in front of you. This will naturally result in you drinking less and less as time goes on. Plus, adopting a new habit can take a lot less time than you might think. Here are 5 examples of replacing the drinking habit with empowering habits. Get a part-time job. The idea of working a part-time job might seem repulsive to some, but there is possibly no easier way to cut back on alcohol. Exercise. Physical exercise has long proven to be a superb way to reduce the desire to drink. Obviously, it is impossible to hold a glass of booze in your hand while walking briskly or lifting weights. Eat dinner earlier than normal. For most people, eating a large dinner will dramatically reduce the desire for alcohol. I previously called this the eating trick, and it's a wonderful habit to get into. Go back to school. Nearly every one of us has thought about returning to school for one reason or another. Attending a night class a few times a week is a tremendous way to improve ourselves. This empowering habit can reduce our alcohol intake. Hang out with non-drinkers. This can be done in a myriad of ways. From visiting a senior center to joining a book club, it's a fantastic idea to surround yourself with people who have no use for alcohol. A combination of new habits works best. You may need to use a combination of these examples to fully cover the hours you normally would drink. But remember, the absolute best way to stop drinking alcohol is to replace that bad habit of drinking with a new, self-empowering habit. One that makes it difficult or impossible to drink while you do it. You can start off slow if you want to. For instance, if you normally drink from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. each day, try adopting a good habit that will cover the first hour, such as exercising or visiting the library. Then, as that habit becomes ingrained, you can add another good habit that would cover another chunk of the hours you used to drink. Don't forget to reward yourself for not drinking. A basic principle of psychology says that when a behavior is followed by a reward, that behavior becomes reinforced. So make sure that after each new habit, you then reinforce the behavior in some manner. This reinforcement can be as simple as writing about how good you feel in your journal to buying yourself a small gift. So the best way to stop drinking is to adopt a new habit. Start today to replace your drinking habit with another empowering habit. You'll soon be on your way to feeling healthier and happier than you felt in a long time. If you need more help quitting your addiction, check out the link below where you will find the best addiction program online that'll help you step by step with your recovery.